बाबा तू फिर से रत्नागिरी में है क्या?
Baroda. Dude, this thing is over, no pandemic. So traveling has started now.
Pandemic is over, as in people have said it's over. Like, नहीं है,
Dude, have you
नहीं है
not been
अभी
in? Have you not been in Bombay? What? No one gives a fuck.
Listen, the pandemic got over when they started the Mumbai local again. Because that is the surest sign that we don't give a fuck about social distancing at all.
संडे जू बीच जा ब्रो. मैं जू बीच पास हुआ ना, इनको तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. देयर इज नो, कहाँ है पैंडेमिक, मुझे तो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. अरे चाचा सेवपुरी ला 6. I never understood. तो बीच पे जाके सेवपुरी क्यों खाना है?
भाई साहब आपने पैंडेमिक देखा? हाँ, थोड़ा आगे जाके लेफ्ट.
ये लो आपका पाव भाजी. असली पैंडेमिक अभी शुरू होगा आपके पेट में.
और पाव भाजी देने के पहले उसमें घास देता है.
ब्रो आदर किधर है ब्रो?
Great question.
आदर कोई होटल में रह रहा है. which brings me to the topic of this episode.
ब्रो मैं एक्चुअली होटल में था. वो तेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था.
But hey, चल let's start.
Okay, so what? This is not being shot too late in the night.
Yeah, it's only
At all.
12:51 a.m. on the night before this podcast is going to come out. And our dear friend, as you can see in the top left corner, for me, Baba has to sit and edit. So let's make sure there's no cuts in this episode.
Why do we say this?
Baba cut. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set So, a show where we take random and shocking weird facts, stats, trivia, and opposite stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is on hotel facts. Hotel facts. And in true Tis style, I will ask you guys about the first ever hotel you went to.
First ever hotel.
Or that you remember going to. No, it was a joke also and a question. Both.
No, so in my case, a couple of things. Mom and dad, like dad used to be super lazy. So what used to happen is, dad and mom used to do this thing where if we traveled or we went like whatever, whether we went to Kashmir or like Kerala or Kodaikanal or
the same thing.
There was an alliteration.
Yeah. Kashmir, Kerala, Kodaikanal.
Kanpur.
So it didn't matter, like, Kolkata, which at that point was Calcutta. But so I'm saying wherever we went, we stayed in fairly decent hotels. But my dad's favorite thing to do was sort of like just genuinely like ditch the whole travel situation and be like, चल Bombay में 5-star में रुक दे weekend पे.
जो आजकल एक legit plan है.
Yeah, I recently did that, dude.
Yeah.
So my dad used to be just like, forget it. No, why are we even bothering? Just let's go.
Because of course the experience in traveling is the same as being in your city in a 5-star.
So no, because dad's plan was, dude, my dad used to be a legend, dude. He used to travel for work and all. He has stayed in a hotel from where he, like, his window he could see the pyramids from his window, like at a fair distance, but he could literally see the pyramids, literally. And in the morning, this guy came knocking on my dad's door. He was so pissed off. So the guy's like, "So the tour to the pyramids is going to go in an hour or so. Would you like to join?" He's like, "I can see them from my room." What the fuck are you doing? Just leave.
But I remember trying to book hotels when I went to Egypt, और उसपे हर एक इसमें पिरामिड्स व्यू करके एक ऑप्शन होता था कि देखो तेरे होटल से दूर दिख रहा है पिरामिड, तो उसका एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज अगर दिखाई दे रहा है तो. जो नहीं होता था हमें.
It's like renting a flat in Bombay.
जो नहीं होता है bro, because it's
इतना सा सी व्यू है सर, इतना आप ऐसे झुक के लटकेंगे और 2 जन आपको पीछे से टांग से पकड़ेंगे तो इतना सा सी दिखेगा.
or it's like sea view and then you go up and you show and it's facing another building. It's like sea view.
I knew it.
Dude, I'd stayed in a hotel in Odisha. I'd gone there for a show, and udhar, like, when you opened the
window. How is
window,
this your first memory, baby?
No, not first memory, but I was just talking about because of views. Okay, I opened the window there. Okay, there is a wall, and on the wall there is a ledge, and on the ledge there are 2 beer bottles and 1 condom. a used condom.
Wow. ये
And
किधर तेरे ऐसे विंडो से जो लेज है वहां पर?
बाहर नहीं so I look outside, wall पे ledge पे ये, okay,
और
and
लेज के पास इधर ड्रॉप ना?
yeah, I don't know how the fuck someone has placed those beer bottles there. I don't know how, like condom someone maybe threw it, but beer bottle standing, how, where,
Do you
how?
think they
They were
drank
doing
there,
that
had sex
challenge.
there?
They were doing that bottle cap challenge with a beard.
Bro, I cannot tell you. It was a world record for shutting a curtain for sure. Holy
But
fuck!
you know, have you noticed though, एक चीज not off topic, but इंडिया में ऐसा होता था with a lot of middle class families, they would refer to restaurant as hotel.
Yes.
It used to
चल
happen to
होटल
you.
में जाके
अरे
खाना
आज
खाते
होटल
हैं.
में खाना खाएंगे. So even a regular restaurant which doesn't really have rooms to let was called hotel.
एक
But
second.
which is why it's
Or
always like hotel Sai service or whatever the fuck, right? Like it's
no,
always.
and array they completed the thing because some of these hotels would have something called family room.
Yeah.
So
No, those are
hotel भी है,
bars.
room भी है, but खाना
Those
है.
are bars like a
Restaurant
Shankari
bar.
bar, restaurant and family room.
Family room,
Hmm.
permit
हाँ,
room.
Permit room and
तो
family room is different.
और
By the
मैंने
way,
कभी
guys.
अंदर फैमिली नहीं देखा है. शंकरी फैमिली रूम में भी लौंडे जाके बैठ के दारू पी रहे हैं. अरे हम लोग फैमिली, मेरा भाई है, मेरा कजन.
No.
अच्छा फिर अलाउड.
No. So yeah. So first, Varun, Kautuk, first hotel you stayed at, right? Like that you remember?
You know, there was this again, it was a restaurant, I think.
You
What?
stayed
You
in a
stayed at a
ठीक है.
restaurant.
restaurant?
नहीं,
सागर चाइनीज पे?
मेरे डैड हमेशा होटल बोलते थे. तो सार रेस्टोरेंट करके एक था अंधेरी ईस्ट में, it used to be. So when I was younger, I used to stay in अंधेरी ईस्ट. तो उधर I think we had gone and we used to go there all the time. मतलब कुछ भी हुआ ना, हे बर्थडे है किसी का, उधर जाके खा रहे. तेरा बर्थडे है, उधर जाके खा रहे.
Correct.
पार्टी है, वही होटल के टेरेस पे.
Equivalent to Sai Palace. Huh.
Yeah, that became, I think I was 5 or 6 or something, and that's my earliest memory of it. Right now, if you ask me exactly, I won't remember, but I remember going there a lot.
Yeah, like
I've-
one of my earliest was my dad got a job in Bangalore, so we had shifted there, and for a month before we found a house, we were staying at a hotel, and yeah, I mean, what the memory I have of it is just that इधर सब जगह carpet है.
Huh?
Full carpet. That's my overarching memory. I was very, very young, and my dad keeps telling the story that so they had that Western toilet there, right? And it was too big. So they put me on it, and I was afraid that I would fall inside. I was like, "Ah, get me off this fucking thing." So yeah, I mean, I don't remember this part. They keep telling this story, but I remember carpets. That's the
I think I've told the story before where we were staying in a like we were en route to a destination. So we stayed in one of these, like, you know, you have to stop for the night. So we stayed in a hotel. I think it was called like Hotel Nandi International or Nandi Palace, one of the two. Okay.
Palace.
And it sounds like it would be Nandi Palace.
Hmm.
So
no,
I
but
think I've told this story before.
Nandi
And,
International also sounds right.
Yeah.
It sounds correct.
So we were staying, and I can't fucking recall where it was, but I think it was either like Mangalore or like Kodaikanal or something like that where we were going. And in the night, my dad, you know, he sort of looked at me and said, "Come, let's have a glass of milk before we sleep or whatever." Okay. I looked at my mom, and my mom just said "Chi" or whatever. So I was
What?
like, "Yeah, cool." So he ordered.
Having milk.
Yeah. My mom hated milk. So so my dad ordered 3 glasses of milk, and he was like, as a family, we'll cheers and, like, you know, we'll have a good time and drink and all. I was like, okay. So he called for the milk. Dude, the milk has come in filter coffee cups. It's this much. Okay. So my
How
dad
many of it? How many cups?
3.
Wow.
So it's come. My dad has had 1 shot of milk. I've had the other shot, and then Dad and I shared the other two, the mom's milk, and we were like, wow, this was so disappointing. It's not even
Fuck,
funny.
लेकिन अगर तू वो दूध के शॉट ऐसे टकीला जैसे पीता नींबू वींबू करके तो पेट में पनीर बन जाता तेरे.
Correct, but that's why I didn't do it.
Yeah, I think
हाँ,
when you travel with your family for the first time, that's when you I think experience like a hotel, right? Otherwise,
yeah.
you have no fucking occasion to. Like I remember we had that Club Mahindra, and we used to go to. We went once to Munnar in Kerala, and there was a great property there because it was right next to these just tea plantations. So there would be tea plantations till the eye could see, and I was very young. I was like 8 or
उसके
9 or
पीछे
something
एक
like that,
पिरामिड
and
दिख रहा
Sir, if you pay 1 lakh rupees extra from Munnar in Kerala, you can see Tutankhamun's tomb. So,
है.
so this tea plantation thing. So the thing was, I was so fucking fascinated. I had watched like Animal Planet and shit, and I was like, you know what? We should go inside the tea plantations and see what is
अब
like. I just want
मतलब
to explore.
वो तो obvious bro. You see any of these plantations, first things you'll do is run in. हम लोग भी कूद गए थे सेम कॉफी प्लांटेशन देखा नहीं भाग गए अंदर
Bhage andar, correct.
सीधा.
And you know, I kept saying that we should check the plantations out, and my parents kept saying no. And as a kid, you don't understand it, right? Like, why wouldn't you just come to the plantations? They're so great. They're so beautiful. Let's go. But as you get older, now I realize कि अगर कोई चुतिया बच्चा मेरे को बोलता plantation में चला, I'd be like, हट उधर क्या पता क्या है dude. मैं इधर होटल में अच्छे से एंजॉय करने आया हूँ, तेरे टी प्लांटेशन में भागने के लिए नहीं.
Yeah, dude, Kulu Manali and like all of that used to be a big thing, right? Like so, like snow and like all of it's a fascination, no, for someone in Bombay who's growing up in Bombay, to go to Kulu Manali and Kashmir and stuff like that. So we went to what pass is it, dude?
रोहतांग पास.
रोहतांग, बट रोहतांग के ऊपर भी एक और होता था. तो हम लोग उधर भी we had gone and stayed with like at a hotel and stuff like that. Again, extremely funny story because my dad made sure that when we traveled well. Okay, like whatever happened, like mom was like, this is where we are going, shut up and come. But with dad made sure we sort of traveled well. तो हम लोग कश्मीर गया था, ठीक है. So we went to Rohtang, and those days it was really difficult to get to these places because the roads weren't perfect and all of that jazz. So our hotel is like some 4 hours away and thing. And my dad's only line was, हाँ तुम लोग को देखना है ना पास वास, तुम लोग जाके देख के वापस आओ. 8 hours later, my mom and me have come back harrowed with sunburns and stuff like that. And my dad is just chilling. He's asleep on the bed in the AC, completely chilling like a chiller. And my mom and me have just walked in furious, saying, why couldn't you get a hotel closer? He's like, because the bed is not as good. So fuck off.
But there is this like a trend with your dad, which is that he used to go to places and then not see whatever the
Yeah,
place is
yeah, yeah,
famous for.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
Egypt में
Yeah,
जाके
yeah.
pyramid नहीं देखना है,
But
पास नहीं देखना है.
and I've got that gene. Like I mean, if I will do anything to avoid crowded places. I'll do all the cultural walks and stuff like that. But I won't like go to like a crowded populist place and then visit the most populist thing. That I
Yeah,
think I
like
won't do.
Bawa hasn't gone to Eiffel Tower because there are crowds and it's about love. So
बट लेकिन तू मेरे को बोल तू इजिप्ट जाके पिरामिड पिरामिड नहीं देखेगा
नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स देखेगा
तो
क्योंकि मैं
क्या
हिस्ट्री
मिट्टी
में
रेत
बहुत.
रेत देखने जा रहे हैं.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं हिस्ट्री में मैं फैसिनेटेड है हिस्ट्री से, तो
हाँ
मैं ऑब्वियसली जाके देखेगा. लेकिन फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अभी अगली बार पेरिस जाएगा तो मैं वापस नहीं जाएगा एफिल टावर और
बार बार नहीं जाना है एक बार तो जाएगा ना देखने की क्या है सीन फिर
नो
जाके
आईफिल
डिसअपॉइंट उधर
टावर
जाके
वो.
डिसअपॉइंट हो अरे यार
हाँ
मैंने
एग्जैक्टली, आईफिल टावर वो ऐसा वो गार्डन से देख लिया, हाँ, ठीक है. अभी क्या आईफिल टावर के ऊपर जाने का जरूरत नहीं है. वो
Bawa goes to the safari to see the trees. It's just leopard ऊपर छोड़ना. ये पेड़ के
no
बारे
no,
में
but
बता.
this kida of luxury has come into my life.
Has come, no?
That's without a
For
doubt.
sure.
Yeah,
नहीं,
yeah.
but that's the thing right like even the act of just going to a hotel and
Yeah, it was
chilling
a big deal.
is
Yeah.
obviously when you're growing up and if you're not supremely well off who's going everywhere that one time that you'd go and lie down on the fucking bed like I personally hate soft beds. I hate it.
Me too.
I need to sleep on like I don't need to sleep on a hard like a lakdi cot but can't
A
be like
firm
super
bed. A firm bed.
like a firm bed, exactly. अभी लेकिन होटल जाएगा, कौन से होटल में देखो firm bed मिल रहा है bro?
Yeah,
इधर नहीं.
and they are
I will
proud
tell
of
you,
it, right?
at the end of, guys, plug, stay tuned till the end of the episode where I will tell you the best bed in the country.
Oh no. Oh God. Is this your pickup line? This is
No,
so
no,
Yeah.
terrible.
I didn't say
Come,
I'll
I will
take
show
you
you
to the
the
best
best bed in the
country.
country. It is
I
in my
didn't say
house.
I didn't say the word come or I will take you to at all.
Of course.
Yeah, that's what was missing, Baba.
Correct.
It's not like your eyes gave anything away.
There's a huge chance that by the time, and it's a huge chance that by the time we get to the end of the podcast, I'll forget about this, and then the comments will just be, which is the best bed in the country, which is the best bed in the country.
Abhi bol dena fir, Baba. Why are you
No,
waiting?
no, you have to clickbait
Achha,
them
there's
all the way
setup.
through
Oh,
like that. Yeah,
shit.
Or I
Amazing.
think it's a story where people will be like, इसके लिए रुका है, मैं अभी बंद कर रहे देखना.
yeah.
But you know, like coming back to hotel facts, right? One thing I read somewhere where the white, we all like sleeping on that white bed with that nice crisp white
Not
sheet,
necessary.
shiny white. Nay,
It's
in the sense that is what creates
Yeah.
the effect in the entire
Of a hotel,
room
yeah.
of the room being super clean.
Yeah.
Even though in reality it
Because
might be,
90% of it is the bed.
yeah, and
like-
it just has that halo effect, you
Yeah.
know, on the entire room. कि literally तू बाहर जा room से, किधर टाइम पास करने बकवास करके आएगा ना, even if they just come and fold your mat,
Turn down service. Yeah.
turn down service भी किया ना, fucking I mean,
Mood
turn
is
down service
changed.
is the whole thing, right, bro? It's still room cleaning only. You call it turn down, whatever. But अगर सिर्फ तेरा bedsheet change किया, you will automatically feel the entire
Yeah.
room is clean.
Phrase.
So I read some डरावने facts also, bro.
Oh, please.
Dude,
About
I'll tell you, fuck, there are so many डरावने
सबसे पहला bed bugs तो definitely आया है. ठीक
अरे
है, कभी
bed
ना
bugs and
कभी
all
तो,
that?
dude, the bathtub. And not just the bathtub, like I've read where they say that, you know, you get the glasses in the hotel room, right?
Yeah.
Avoid
Yeah,
using those and get the paper cups, because some hotels also do that. Na? It's a paper cup type. Paper cup low, because they say, again, it's not definitely not true for every hotel, and we're not saying that every hotel does this. This shit that we've read, where they say the same cloth is used for the floor as well as the stuff in the room.
So that's the thing, right? Like a lot of the articles and stuff that we read, in majority talks about European and American hospitality, where the game is very different. First of all, like I'm saying, we've all lived in hotels abroad in Europe and America. In Europe and America, they don't give a fuck about you
Bro,
as
I
a
was exactly going to talk about that.
Right.
They don't give two shits.
yeah.
It's almost like, you know how like the hospitality we are used to in India, right? We probably
No,
take it,
India and Asia, Southeast
and Asia, yeah, of course,
it's
Southeast
fucking
Asia.
outstanding.
We take it for granted, right? But when you go and live in a hotel abroad, which is why Airbnb and all is so much more popular and people want to do that,
Yeah.
other than the fact that you get your own place and stuff, the service is horrible. They
Yeah,
almost
unless
feel
you're
like they are doing
staying at
you
like yeah.
they're almost like
Unless
they're
you're
doing you a
staying at like
favor.
unless you're staying at like a Waldorf or something like that, where
Like
you know,
if you're
it's just-
paying that much money, then fucking any corner
Yeah.
of the world you'll go, you'll get that service. But
Yeah, exactly.
even a basic like a regular room that you would get in a hotel here, look at the service
no,
you
I'm
get
saying
in
like
India.
a basic 5-star in America is not the same, not even remotely close
Yeah.
to the same as what we have here in our country. It's fucking
Dude, I'll give you an
outstanding.
example. Again, I don't want to take brand names, but I was staying in a hotel in Dallas, ठीक है? उसमें literally उन लोग ने एक ऐसे note रखा है bed पे that if you don't call for cleaning your room service, तो तुम्हारे final bill में से उतना पैसा कम किया जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ तो था.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're
And
paying
it
for the
was
room
booked
service.
via the loyalty points. Okay, the organizer had booked it via the loyalty points of the said brand. If I didn't take the turn down service for 3-4 days, so extra points get added. Sorry, money doesn't get reduced, but extra point gets added to your loyalty, because there the labor is so bloody
So
expensive
expensive.
that they can't afford to. अपने इधर तू फोन कर 10 लोग आ जाते ऊपर ब्रो होटल में. There it's a big bloody problem for them. So they're okay with you keeping your room messy and staying in that mess. They don't care about अरे रोज जाके clean करो. Fuck it. अपना पैसा
Yeah.
बचता है, 4 दिन कोई आएगा नहीं cleaner. It's
Yeah.
literally like that, and people take that option.
Yeah,
Chile,
a lot of
Mexico.
people take that option also because in America, when you're living in hotels or motels, it's mostly because you're there for work, right? So you possibly just like you just go in the morning and then you just coming back in the night to sleep. So you're like, अरे इसमें क्या होने वाला है? कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. Bro, it's not just that, dude. There are there was this thing that I was reading, and also there's this book, by the way, called Air Babylon, which was also converted into a TV series for the unreaders. Varun.
Non-readers, Bhava, come on.
Yeah. I said non-readers only.
Oh, you said unreaders.
You said unreaders.
No, I thought I said non-readers. Sorry, I meant like I was.
Bhava
I
अभी
think
मस्त जाके ऐसा forensically edit करेगा ये
No.
पूरा section.
I'll keep it. I think I was.
बाबा ने अभी स्टूडियो बुक किया है, उसको रीड अप करना है.
No. I think I was going for uninitiated, and then I think I said non-readers. So
Good
unreaders.
save.
Sorry. So.
But a reader
so,
save.
And this was all because I wanted to say Varun is not a reader.
और मैं बोलने वाला था कि मेरे पास Kindle है जो मैं पढ़ता हूँ.
Okay. So anyway, so there's this thing called Air Babylon. It's a fictitious hotel and a fictitious airline and a fictitious fashion magazine, or sorry, a fashion house. And there's this journalist who has obviously worked with industry insiders to write about them, and it's full of like gossip and juice, and like it's tasty. It's like it's thing. And there's a TV show, and if you just watch that show, dude, it's spooky the shit that they do. And
No, so it's what real stories about what happens
Yeah,
behind the scenes at
correct.
hotels,
So it's
but put forth
basically
as a
ऐसा-
fictionalized hotel.
fictionalized hotel, but it's basically like 40 hotels का चीज लिया है मसाला
हाँ.
और एक ऐसा एक होटल के बारे में बताया. तो ऐसा like the fact that they use your rooms to have sex and all that if they are like late night shifts and stuff. The cleaning staff will use your loo if they are cleaning their room and उसको time नहीं मिला है करने को तो तेरे room में ही संडास कर देगा. ये सब चल रहा है. But there's
Oh.
also like there's also like great stuff. Like you would think that like a death in a hotel would be a rarity. It's not. It's
not.
very, very frequent, and it's very, very common. And there's like a whole procedure that is done so silently in these places that you don't even know that it's happened. There's a very big chance that they've turned around the room, and of course, it's not like they've not.
Somebody was dead there.
Yeah,
No,
somebody was dead.
within hours.
Within hours, but of course they've done all the due diligence of like fully sanitizing, taking it down, all that medical.
ये इतना quick sanitize वाले कौन है?
नहीं तू देख ना अभी 20 मिनट में ऑडिटोरियम सैनिटाइज हो रहा है ना एक यूवी लाइट से.
लेकिन
By the
नहीं
way,
हो रहा है ना
by
वो.
the way, on this topic, hard recommendation. Please watch Crime Scene, the Cecil Hotel documentary on.
Yeah, अभी जो नया है ना.
Yeah, on Netflix. It's fucking crazy. It's about Bawa, you want to close your ears here. It's a true crime documentary.
I have to
about-
still edit this shit.
That's right. It's about Elisa Lam, and if you haven't heard of that case, please do because she.
अभी बोल मत.
I can't watch it.
हाँ,
One
reveal
thing,
हो
you're
जाए.
saying I can't watch it. What?
No, you
For
can,
sure.
you can.
You
In
can
fact, you
watch it.
should because it's down your alley of mental
But it's
health.
really interesting.
So, but this Cecil Hotel is known to be like a scary place because lots of terrible things happen there. So it's almost like the Overlook Hotel from The Shining. So if that existed in reality, that's what that would be.
Or Bates Motel.
Or Bates Motel.
Or Bates.
Dude, Bates Motel का TripAdvisor क्या फकौल होगा ना?
या
Oh,
फिर
dude.
या killers के लिए बहुत अच्छा. It's very good. It's quite nostalgic.
No. Also,
Give a
guys,
good vibe.
talking about TripAdvisor and stuff like that, like there is a reason why, like so I use TripAdvisor and stuff only for just getting the rating and the what the hotel is like and the reviews and stuff like that.
Oh, I used to call for food. मतलब और क्या और किस चीज के लिए use
No,
करेगा
because
TripAdvisor?
people book through TripAdvisor and through Booking.com and Expedia and stuff like that. And by the way, the chances are if you book a discounted room or a discounted rate room or from
किसकी
a
मौत
discounted
हुई थी
website,
उधर?
no, bro, they will give you the shittiest room.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously
But
देखो
of-
तोड़-फोड़ थोड़ी देखो
No, it's
pyramid
not
view
तोड़-फोड़.
थोड़ी देगा
I'm saying-
4000 रुपए में.
No. I'm saying that वो कैटेगरी में जिसने तूने खरीदा है वो कैटेगरी का रूम सबसे सस्ता देगा तेरे को, सबसे फॉकॉल वाला जिसमें कुछ सीन है या
जिसमें
जो कोई
pyramid
और
view
बनेगा.
नहीं है. Like it's the opposite of pyramid view.
No, and the reason for this is, I mean,
या
the-
फिर पिरामिड जैसा ही है मतलब उधर कुछ एक स्टोन के अंदर से देखो रखा है. देखो
So-
पिरामिड एक्सपीरियंस है. पिरामिड एक्सपीरियंस अगर
so
आप
like-
कभी रात को सोने गए पिरामिड में आपको पत्थर पे सोना पड़ेगा. लाइमस्टोन. यहाँ पर हमारे 1.2 बिलियन लाइमस्टोन यूज किए.
Also, talking of TripAdvisor, there's
No,
a
no, wait, one minute,
हाँ,
one minute.
बोल
So,
बोल.
if you want to actually get a great room, call the hotel directly after you've done your research. Do not try to like book it from booking.com and stuff like that. While it helps you in terms of like no credit card and stuff, they genuinely jip you on the room. And this myth that they say that all rooms are made equal and all, they're not, dude. किसी में ऐसा तेरे को एक एक्स्ट्रा बाथरूम एक्स्ट्रा सिंक मिलेगा, तेरे को किसी में एक बड़ा टीवी मिलेगा, ये सब है क्योंकि it's just not
वो
humanly
एक्स्ट्रा
possible. No?
सिंक के साथ क्या करेगा बाबा?
No, no. I mean, what I meant
दो
is
लोग
like
साथ में ब्रश कर सकते हैं, या तो
like
एक में ब्रश कर दूसरे में थू.
of course. By the way, guys, we're still only talking about like the really luxury hotels.
We are
We
not.
still haven't
No,
gone to.
okay, so I want to talk about the really shit ones because
There
I
you go.
found a article on Thrillist, which is the world's worst hotels according to TripAdvisor reviews. Okay, so there are some of them are fucking hilarious, but also very creepy. So there's a hotel called Townhouse Motel. Okay,
But then it's
And-
not a hotel.
so yeah, I mean it classifies as a place where you can stay for the night. So Townhouse Motel mein the review was just one sentence. It was there was a puddle of blood in front of our door.
ये रिव्यू पढ़ रहा है क्या?
This is according to TripAdvisor reviews. Then there was here, okay, Balmoral House. Balmoral House, why you shouldn't visit? The sink was literally full of vomit. It remained that way for 2 days.
But why did they stay there? If
For
the,
2 days.
For 2 days
इसके
straight.
पास कितने कम पैसे थे कि
unless it
दो-
is his own
ये दो दिन
vomit,
ऐसा
and then
सोया.
nobody came.
Then Quest Inn Motel, okay, some guy has written a review saying there were marijuana stems between the sheets and it appeared the sheets had been used by a hooker just before I arrived. I also found a used tampon in the dresser drawer.
In the dresser drawer.
Yeah. Then Hotel
It seems
Namaskar.
like-
Arey!
It seems like the hotel turned down the turn down service.
So Hotel Namaskar, okay.
Oh,
this is
Namaskar.
yes,
Arey.
yes, we have made it.
आइए.
This is in New Delhi, India. Okay, so someone has written the journey through the alleyway to get to the hotel was an experience. An open men's urinal, complete with men urinating, added a certain ambience to the surroundings.
Yeah.
So before you
This
get to
is
your
in a
room-
hotel.
Yeah, this is in a hotel. So
I'm
while
sure
you're
it's one
getting
of
to your
those
room-
hostels or whatever where the building is, the reception is in one building and the rooms are in another building, so you have to go through an alley or something like that.
Yeah,
In Purani Delhi, I'm sure
I
that
mean,
this is
पहाड़गंज में हो गए.
but this is pretty good because
Paharganj, probably.
usually we don't look for a urinal to pee in, dude. अपन alleyway में चालू. So this is
अबे
quite
लेकिन होटल के एलिवे में थोड़ी पेशाब करता है.
considerate. Yeah, so these are some of the worst hotels in the world according to Thrillist.com.
So you know what they do with the leftover soap and stuff. So there's two. Lot of hotels. This is a US wala fact where they take all the remaining soap जो पड़ा हुआ है and lot of it lands up in landfills. And on the
Oh,
other
no.
end, what people have started doing, I think there's an organization that works towards this happening, where they take the leftover soap bars, sterilize it, melt it down, repackage it into smaller soaps, and send it to countries that have issues with like hygiene or they have sanitization issues and they're not able to afford it. So a lot of times it gets sent to those countries.
But this is something that some like people should look into for sure. But every time I've stayed at a hotel, the amount of waste that you generate just as a person staying there for one night, right?
Yeah.
Like to soap का ये खोलता है, you use the soap once, the entire bar of soap is there, it's gone. Like
Gone.
you have
Yeah.
to throw it.
Yeah.
उसका wrapper अलग है, फिर तू toothpaste का they pack everything up, all of that plastic comes out. Like it's a bunch of shit. Like now they've started changing this, but remember like for the
So
longest
that's
time,
why people are like, अच्छा है, हम लोग जाते हैं सब लेके जाते हैं घर पे. We don't waste.
we don't waste. No, but like a lot of hotels, they still keep the bottled waters, right? So and it's fucking water, so you're going to have it. Like you're going to have a lot of it. So 4-5 bottle तो खत्म ही हो गया है. Then you're calling for
Correct.
more, right? And it's just a fucking waste.
Even your hotel bed linen, your towels and stuff, you see this. I think something happens to the psyche of people in general. Okay, and I'm being as transparent as I can. you behave like your worst self sometimes in hotels.
Yeah, and that's a big problem for the
You
hotel
know,
industry.
where
So
you wouldn't do that thing in your house. I'm not saying the hotel is your house, but you're eventually going to stay there. But there are times when I have also, like, in the past, I've not been happy with the shit that I've done. And when you think about it in retrospect, you're like, मैं क्यों किया ऐसा? मतलब, just because there
and
is no, you are not liable for any.
policed. Yeah.
You're
Responsibility.
not
Yeah.
police. You're not, you just like, अरे एक use
And
करके
the
अरे
thing
फेंक
is,
दिया,
and
अरे
the
इसको
thing
जला
is,
दिया. I mean,
No,
जलाया
because
नहीं,
the
लेकिन
really
but
the really interesting thing about this is, sorry Gautam, the really interesting thing about this is, if you are nice, or you call them, even if you call the reception again and again, or you call housekeeping again and again, as long as you're nice and you're apologetic, or you're just, considerate about the other person's feelings, uh, they will actually treat you really well. Like, it's when you're almost this, like, when you're almost like entitled beyond a certain point, it
that's
becomes
to a
really
certain
ridiculous.
extent what the hotel makes you feel, right? When you get a hotel room
But I
and
don't
you
think,
walk in,
but you're
you
still a
start
human
behave.
being.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm not saying it's right. I'm saying it happens sometimes, and it's happened to me. I have noticed happened to me. I've seen stories about other people who completely behave the opposite of who they would be in normal life.
Correct.
You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Correct.
Like, just trash the hotel room for no reason. Right? A
एक
lot of people get happiness in that fact. अरे मैं होटल गया और क्या फाड़ डाली होटल की. अबे
Correct.
क्यों? क्योंकि वो किधर कोई
you
और
know
जगह
you know
रहने
why
वाला
I
है.
think it's
you
also
know
come
why
from rock
because
bands.
no, because there is no responsibility, right? There's no
Yeah,
consequence.
Yeah.
Because
exactly.
if you trashed your house, you would go back, then come home and be like, fuck यार मेरा bed जल गया है.
नहीं मतलब वो सब के लिए तेरे पास है. You're fined and all for it if you smoke in the room where
No,
you're
no,
not
I know.
supposed to.
It's just that there is no
The
link.
public जला रही है hotel.
Because you know, right, कि तू 3 दिन में out है. तो
हाँ.
this is the end of the world almost, like for
Hmm.
this location.
You know,
So-
I read somewhere that a lot of hotels nowadays they use RFID trackers on your linen, your
so you don't
not
steal it.
on the towels and napkins and shit like that. Bathrobes, पहले public देखा नहीं कि सीधा bag में डालते हैं bro. ठीक है. तो there was some hotel in Hawaii which was able to save 15,000 or 150,000, I don't remember the exact figure, in revenue by just keeping ID, that RFID tracker on it. तो अगर कोई जा रहा भी है तो उनको मालूम पड़ रहा है. Then they've stopped that person and taken the towel back. Imagine कोई जा रहा है बाहर. Excuse me, sir, you have to stop. Towel.
But TBH, the towels at these hotels are worth stealing, dude. They are some of the genuinely beautiful things about these hotels. वो must towel, एकदम linen count अच्छा है, ऐसा rough, mast, classic. Love
हाँ,
it.
तो तेरे जैसे लोग के लिए लगा है.
पर मैं चोरी
RFID
नहीं किया
tracker.
अभी तक, फिलहाल. Meaning far. But also, there's something, the fucking worst part about these hotels, at least for me, I never enjoy it because the temperature is always too fucking low. Even if you switch off your room ka AC, the AC that is centralized in the thing just cools the room so much, it's always too low. And they have no windows that you can open.
Yeah, because when they
just
kept it open,
fucking-
people were jumping off of it.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's one of the main reasons why they shut. तू कोई भी होटल का खोल नहीं सकता है.
Oh,
क्योंकि एक बार तू do not disturb sign लगा दिया, what if you jump out for whatever reason, or your
Yeah,
phone or whatever.
I didn't
they
see that
stopped.
coming.
No, it's true. That is the reason you see it across the board. People do end up doing this stuff.
So okay, so I have this insane list of 20 hotel employee secrets that will truly shock and horrify you. Okay, this was put up by BuzzFeed, and like Baba was saying, someone has mentioned this. If someone dies in a room, we get rid of the body and then get the room booked again ASAP.
Correct.
Okay, the dirtiest part of a hotel is something no one thinks about: the keys. Keys are reused until they stop working, and I've had keys returned in the nastiest conditions, covered in snot, mud, unknown bodily fluids, etc. Always wipe them down as soon as you get them because people are gross. Housekeeping never cleans inside drawers and nightstands. So if you want to keep something precious there, please think again. Then we have the laundry room that's used for folding bed sheets is a great place for quickies with guests.
Wow.
This is according to
Guys, I'll just be
employee.
back. I'm going to the laundry room.
After flights, Bawa's next escapade.
Mile high or down low.
But always dirty. Uh,
and dealing white. Huh, sorry.
ha- then I personally knew a housekeeper who used the same cleaning rag to clean both the toilets and everywhere else in the room.
That's what I'm saying. Like literally,
Yeah.
any article that we've read has basically said, don't put your brush, razor on the counter. You don't know how dirty it's been because they use the same sponge that they would on something else on this. And apparently, a research done by some fucking organization has gone into a lot of these hotels. They have actually said that it's not necessarily just because you're staying in a 5 star that it's cleaner and
Yeah.
more free of germs. In fact, in their study, they found out that 4 stars and 3 stars were cleaner. You
Fuck.
know, that's this one story you keep hearing, 5 star ka khane ka story. Then
Yeah.
five
Yeah.
star ka cleanliness, because oh, I've paid 20,000 bucks for this room. Of course, everything is spotless and clean, but you never know, from the bathtub to the sink to the desk. उधर मैंने ये आर्टिकल पढ़ा, उसमें रिमोट बोला है ब्रो.
Remote is pretty
Because the amount of
horrendous.
people have fucking used that remote and where all their hands have been. In fact, I think now there's going to be a seismic shift in which anyway people have started changing, right?
Thanks to
Because
Yeah,
pandemic,
yeah.
no?
of because of the pandemic, where you are extra worried and scared about germs. Everybody has become way more of a germophobe now than they ever were, right?
Yeah.
So now literally मैं जब भी कोई होटल बाहर जा रहा है, dude, we carry that spray,
Yeah.
whatever it,
Savlon.
maybe it doesn't do shit, but I still have that. There is a separate spray that you get for your toilet seat.
Yeah.
वो भी
It's
अभी
called
पूरा P
it's called
safe.
P safe.
Yeah, P safe. Great. वो सब कुछ लेके bro, it's like a full अभी armed kit लेके जाते हैं हम लोग. And
You know,
now when I was
you know what
reading
would
about
be
these
hilarious?
hotels, it's like psyching me out even more.
Dude, like it'd be so funny that you are doing a better job than housekeeping. No, it's like just housekeeping should give you a review.
yeah, for
No,
sure.
also that thing about like Varun, which you were saying about housekeeping or whatever, it's because also they pay housekeeping by the room in some hotels and not by the hour. And so they just sort of come in and they're contract workers. So they come and they clean a certain number of rooms and it takes a certain amount of time and as per minimum wage or
One thing
whatever.
what should actually be like a thing across the board is tipping the housekeeping staff. I mean, not to say people don't, but obviously, out of the 10 people that go to a hotel, 3 or 4 are tipping at best, right? Because a lot of these people who are hired they're not getting your minimum wage level money. They are getting nothing. You know what I mean? So like that should definitely be a thing for
Correct.
housekeeping staff, because they're also fucking क्या कर रहे हैं bro? Imagine कितने अजीबो गरीब लोगों के रूम जाके उनको साफ करने पड़ रहे हैं.
Yeah, and what all
And to
they've
get
seen
paid.
also.
Huh?
And what all they've seen and people trashing rooms and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
like that, and after that having to clean it, it's ridiculous. There are very perverse people that come to hotels. Like there have been people who've been told that people are like genuinely like so perverse that they've found a way to shit on the roof, like, or at least shit on
Yeah,
the
somebody
roof.
said there's cat on
Yeah.
the ceiling.
Yeah. So like it's a little, it's just like I'm saying, ऐसा लोग रहेगा तो
But
क्या-
this ties it back to that point that I was saying, right? That something about once you go to the hotel, you feel, of course, I'm entitled to just trash the fuck
Correct.
out of this place, and it's good. I've
Correct.
paid for it. You know what I mean? I've paid for it. Which is
But-
that weird sense of entitlement.
But listen to this. So hotels have a thing. They have a list called "Beware this guest" list.
Hmm.
Okay, so the hotel I work at has a "Beware this guest" list, and we have a lot of neighboring hotel friends. So basically, if you trash a room or are unbelievably rude, every hospitality establishment within 30 miles will know. So
Wow. So
that's
better
that's
fucking behave properly
yeah,
and don't shit on the ceiling.
that's a good
No,
good thing.
and this is true for everything. So even like, whether it's your privacy or whatever it is, like, the kind of restaurants you're going to, etc., etc. It's not a data hack situation. They just want to sort of I think it started off with the intent of making your stay as pleasurable as possible and as customized as possible every time you return or whatever. But it's gone beyond that now.
Yeah. Okay, so I also have now some just general hotel facts. Do you guys know what the oldest hotel in the world is? It's the Nishiyama.
In Japan. In
yeah,
Japan.
it's the Nishiyama Onsen. I'm gonna fuck
It's
this
some
pronunciation.
52 generations of the family has been maintaining that hotel.
Goeken. Yeah,
Hai na?
it's more than 1,300 years old. It's one of Japan's popular ryokan types of hotels. The Nishiyama Onsen Kyukan is located in Hayakawa, And it also happens to compete for the title of the oldest company in operation. 52 generations of the same family have owned this traditional Japanese inn.
Wow.
So
इन लोग ने सोच क्या क्या देखा होगा. अरे
Imagine there,
लोग आते
beware
अपनी
this
तलवार
guest
छोड़ के
list.
ऐसे ही चले
No,
चले
imagine
जाते.
there, beware of this guest list.
Yeah,
Like,
dude. And they are passing it down as an heirloom.
yeah.
Like इसके पूरे खानदान को एंट्री नहीं
इसे
देना
हाँ
है.
करेंगे.
सडनली तू बुक करने की कोशिश कर रहा है एंड नॉट अलाउड. सॉरी सर,
Yeah.
यू आर नॉट. अरे मैंने क्या किया यार, मैं क्यों allowed?
Because in the 5th century.
तेरे पढ़ दादा ठाकुर जब गए थे तब उन्होंने सीलिंग पे टट्टी किया, और वो टट्टी के लिए the full family is a band.
अरे परदादा तो जानते हो आप, वो तो ऐसे ही थे.
वो तो मजाक में करते थे.
अरे पर दादा तो ऐसे ही थे. पर दादा तो ऐसे ही.
मस्त.
So, you know, there's that hotel in क्या नाम है उसका, in Las Vegas. It's called the Luxor Hotel, right? And it has a beam that goes up, like a light beam. Okay, now this beam is so hardcore. It's developed its own ecosystem of moths, bats, and owls.
Wow.
Because they get so attracted to the light, तो उन लोग का अलग ही चालू है अभी उधर. Only in that beam of light that goes up.
Fucking crazy.
Insane.
Wow.
There's also the tallest unoccupied hotel, which is the Ryungyong Hotel of Pyongyang, North Korea. It's considered to be the tallest unoccupied building in the world, though completely topped out at 1,080 feet, which is 330 meters in height. The building is still unopened. तो
बना है क्यों?
क्योंकि शौक.
I also think what might be the case is that actually अंदर कुछ फ्लोर वॉर नहीं रहेगा. एक शेल बना है ताकि साउथ कोरिया देख सकता है ऐसा वीडियो.
हाँ, ताकि उन लोग नहीं, so that they get that recognition in an award in any sort of list. Tallest hotel not occupied. You know, like.
No, also North Korea has to give itself awards also, na. So best hotel of the year, the hotel that's not been used.
Dude, this is hilarious.
You know Waldorf Astoria, right? It's also a fucking hard hotel in New York.
Yeah.
So Waldorf Astoria has actually a area for its own train station.
Yeah.
It has its own train station. अभी अब चल रहा नहीं होगा,
And
लेकिन it used to have. तो
fun
अभी तक
fact,
है, but now it's not operational, I think.
the Waldorf Astoria in New York is also the most expensive hotel purchase because China's Angbang Insurance Group purchased the Waldorf Astoria New York for $1.95 billion in October 2014. So that's the most expensive hotel ever sold. So
Crazy.
I mean, it's probably because they also put a bundle deal with the fucking train station.
But चल रहा नहीं है, लेकिन बोल सकते कि है.
I don't think that just like you can attach a value to the Waldorf only in that sense because of like just like its legacy and history and stuff
Yeah,
like
dude,
that.
there's a whole salad named after it. So I guess.
Yeah, there is.
So.
नहीं, and मतलब Waldorf Astoria has hardcore history attached to it. So,
Historia.
And you know, 15 out of the 25 largest hotels are in Las Vegas.
Oh,
Bro,
Yeah.
it's insane. If you
But
ever
it's
go on the
nothing.
Vegas
It's a. I like.
Bro, it's
I was
confusing. तू क्या है? तू hotel से, mall से, casino, roads,
Correct.
अरे
It's-
strip club. You know, it's
It's
just
the ugliest part of America almost in that point because it's while it's just plastic. Like everything is plastic in that
Yeah.
place.
fuck. So there's this fucking hilarious fact, which is that this hotel has attack hawks on staff.
attack hawks.
Yeah. So
ये
it's-
बुर्ज खलीफा होगा.
no, it's hired birds because the Grand Hyatt Cannes Hotel Martinez in Cannes, France, has plenty of A-list guests and influential lodgers, and it doesn't want pesky seagulls bothering them. So it has 5 well-trained attack hawks to run those birds away.
Wow, bro. और इधर हम लोग हैं.
नहीं, but
वरुण,
I like the
तू
phrasing. right?
रैकेट के साथ करना ये रैकेट के साथ.
Bro, you
Racket से
know,
अपने हाथ पे मारूं क्यों?
no, Varun, I have something that you will bite into, which is that they have these people on staff, which means that if you have a problem with a seagull, you have to call room service and say, connect me to the hawk.
or or he'll pull out an arrow and then go to the seagull.
I fucking knew it.
अला
Okay.
हॉक और फिर हॉक को भी टिप.
तू उसको
हॉक
मच्छी
को
फेंक रहा
मिर्ची
है.
देना पड़ेगा. कि मिर्ची निकाल दे तू बैग से और दे दे उसको.
हॉक को मिर्ची क्यों? हॉक मिर्ची खाते हैं?
मेरे को क्या मालूम.
तो तो बेचारे हॉक को मिर्ची क्यों खिला रहा है?
हॉक बाबा के
पोपट
फूड
मिर्ची खाता
में
ना.
थूक देगा. डोंट मिर्ची खिलाता है चूतिया.
एक मिनट, बाबा का एक्सप्लेनेशन है कि पोपट मिर्ची खाता है. हाँ, लेकिन चूंकि पोपट को हायर नहीं किया है कान में सीगल्स को कान के नीचे मारने के लिए. उधर हॉक है, ठीक है.
Okay, no, wait, one
हॉक को
minute.
ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए तेरे को खुद एक हॉक ट्रेनर बनना पड़ता है पहले. इसके लिए अलग स्कूल खोले.
पोपट के साथ तेरे को बस बात करना
कुछ नहीं करना है, वो जो तू बोलेगा वो ही बोलेगा. हाँ, एक गुड की मेरा पोपट देख.
And
तेरा
dude, if-
जोशी भी देख. तेरा जोशी भी बन सकता हूँ.
Dude, if you are a young man who has bought a popat below and you're below the age of 30, guaranteed your popat says the word mother chod.
Yeah. And why have you bought a popat, bro? Fuck, this I read. Oh, fuck. So you remember the hotel that inspired Stephen King to write The Shining plays the movie on a continuous loop on channel 42 for all the guests.
Hilarious.
बाप, fuck क्या फटेगी bro. उधर जाके अगर तू देख रहा है Shining, crazy.
Bro, someone should make like a fake TripAdvisor review for The Shining. Like, I called for the lift, it came, and then blood came out of it. Yeah, in my corridor there are two identical
creepy-
female twins. Please
And
deal
a
with
creepy
this.
kid on a cycle.
Call the hawk. Call the hawk. Get rid of the twins.
Okay, this is pretty cool. So there's a hotel where borders of countries run through this hotel. So it's called
Wow.
the Hotel Arbez. It's located both in Switzerland and in France, as the border runs through it. The Swiss-French border bisects the honeymoon suite's bed, as well as divides the dining room, kitchen, hallway, and several rooms.
Fuck,
तो
hard.
तू लिटरली मीनिंग तू एक साइड पे फ्रांस में है और तेरी बीवी स्विट्जरलैंड में.
और तू
और तुम
लॉन्ग
लोग-
डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप पे सेक्स्ट कर रहा है.
इट्स ऑल हैपनिंग. So
Bro,
that's nuts.
bro, tell me something. बहुत ऐसा luxury हो रहा है. What's the worst hotel experience you can think of? Like,
oh, so many.
Worst
So fucking
hotel
many.
experience.
yeah, just like you were like, no.
No, it's the small things that really annoy me. Now,
Yeah,
if-
ऐसा
if-
तू रूम के अंदर आया और टट्टी अभी भी है बाथरूम में.
नहीं वो
That's not a small thing. मैं 3 महीना फ्री स्टे निकालेगा होटल से अगर मैं रूम में एंटर हुआ ऑलरेडी किसी का टट्टी है उधर तो ब्रो यक
टट्टी के साथ रहेगा कि नहीं.
जैसे वो जो प्यूक के साथ रहा था 2 दिन फिर कंप्लेन कर रहा है. Excuse me, there's puke. Yeah, so clean it, bro. It's a fucking motel on a
It's called
highway.
hotel
You think we have
floaters.
staff?
Hotel floaters.
Oh,
Hey,
so
so I have not had a bad experience, but like small things like suppose चाय अगर मेरे को चाय चाहिए और बराबर चाय नहीं बना और वो दूध वाला चाय दिया like it's stupid shit like that. It's first world problem.
oh,
but it's
these
never
are
been,
very very nice
but
problems.
I've not really touch wood not had horrible problems where I'm like fuck यार ये होटल में तो कभी वापस नहीं आएगा. ऐसा
I've
नहीं हुआ
had
कभी.
I've had 3. I mean, I don't even know if you can count one of them as a hotel. Okay, so basically we had gone to Ladakh and there's a place there called Sokar. Okay, उधर एक ऐसा कैंप ग्राउंड्स में टेंट्स डाला है वो लोग ने. Okay, and they've positioned it as a hotel.
Oh, okay.
So I was
हाँ,
staying in
but
this
वही रहे
tent.
ना, नाम भी तो सही है ना.
क्यों लेकिन
सोकर
कितने
उठोगे तो.
जगह है ब्रो लद्दाख में रहने के लिए. तू गया टेंट में रहने.
हाँ तो bro मेरा fuck that night it's so vivid in my mind because that night I couldn't sleep, okay, because it's fucking cold. So I've wrapped myself in a blanket like a mummy, okay, like Tutankhamun, pyramid view, okay. And in the middle of the night, because it's Ladakh, it's at a high altitude, so your oxygen is very
Low.
rare. So I'm having difficulty breathing and you have to take a pill to
Correct.
ease that.
And
So I'm sitting-
acclimatize also.
Exactly. So I'm sleeping in this thing and I'm like, I have to get out to take that pill. but it's too cold to get out. So I'm like, अभी कैसे मरूंगा? Hypothermia या lack of oxygen?
ये
So
कैसे मरा?
1-star review. That same night, by the way, a friend of mine, he had to go to the loo. So there's a portable toilet there. So he goes into the portable toilet with a flashlight, okay, and a flashlight and his phone, and his phone falls into the fucking pot.
Shit. अभी उसमें होटल की क्या गलती है कि उन्होंने तुझे पॉट दिया?
It was so cold that the water had frozen. तो भाई साहब, his
तो उसका सिर्फ स्क्रीन क्रैक हुआ.
so water damage nahi hua, thankfully, but it was fucking gross. So that was one. The second, one of the worst places I stayed at was in this was in Himachal. Okay, so we're driving there, and what happens is this was a time where there was a lot of landslides and shit, so they didn't let you drive at night. So when nightfall happened, we were in the middle of the trip, so on the middle of the road. So we had to find a hotel ASAP. So there was a hotel constructed for exactly chutias like us. Okay, it was on the side of a mountain. Okay, तो
क्या लैंडस्लाइड व्यू? सर आप बाहर देखोगे ना तो लैंडस्लाइड आप पे आ रहा है, तो भागो फिर.
तो उधर like that place literally had 4 rooms. Okay, and we got into one of them, dude. Meaning अपन ये horror story सुन रहे हैं ना about room service, उधर room service था ही नहीं. So since the hotel was made, no one has changed anything, including the sheets or anything at all. Okay,
There's still some people there in the bed when you go. आपका सब मेरे को तो 14 साल हो गए. सर चेकआउट कब है? पता नहीं. 28.
yeah, double room occupancy. So basically it was like, and it was literally a place designed so that you could spend, you could have a roof. Okay, so that you didn't have to sleep in your car. That was, but sleeping in your car would be preferable. Okay, because fucking terrible place. I can't even remember his name. It's fucking that fucking.
It didn't have a name.
Quite possibly. It was just sir, aa jao.
It was just a big hotel written. हाँ ठीक है.
That was, and the last one, Bawa, this you might have to close your ears, because we had gone to family vacation to Mahabaleshwar. Okay, and my dad was for some reason we had ended up at a police guest house. Okay, police fucking guest house, and they had
It's not a hotel. It's a guest house.
It's a guest house, and they had the creepiest motherfucking caretaker. Okay, and here's what this guy, like, you know why he was creepy? Because every time you opened the door, he would be standing outside.
Oh fuck.
Really?
क्या hardcore room service है? Preemptive room service. You open the door, sir, पानी.
No, and we were like, this is so ironic. Like, you would imagine that the safest place in the world would be the police guest house, but they've hired the creepiest motherfucking guy. Okay, he would just be standing there like bug-eyed. Okay, just looking at you.
Bro,
And
maybe did you think that that's where he stands there only? It's not you open the door and he's there. That's his spot.
that's his one. Yeah.
वो उधर रहता है.
Station.
So technically he's telling his friends the story. अरे मैं सोया रहता हूँ बाहर पर एक आदमी आके दरवाजा खोल रहा है मेरे सामने. जब भी मैं आँख खोलता हूँ दरवाजा खोल के सामने.
Fucking scariest thing of my life. Chutia.
Bro.
But that was pretty cool.
No, so this Mahabaleshwar story reminded me of something. Like, you know, like sometimes you go to hotels because you used to visit them as a kid or something like that, and so there's like a certain amount of memory and nostalgia.
Yeah.
I have a lot of those. You know, like for
I-
me, it's
I have-
largely been.
And I have lived like a lot of time. We used to have something called exits where parents were allowed to come and take your kids away for the
Panchgiri
weekend
story.
and stuff.
All right.
In Panchgiri.
we had something called exits.
Yeah, it's called exits.
Not
So,
holiday.
no,
Yeah.
a holiday is longer.
Listen, happy people take holidays. Bawa takes exits.
So,
Hey guys, I'm exiting for 2 weeks.
no, 2 days. So weekend. So the weekend would come, and in some weekends, I think it was once every 2 months or once every month. They would try to organize it in a way where you got to see your parents enough, and they would. So they would come. Parents would come, and they would take us. And we used to always stay in the Tata guest house. which was a place that mom used to get because she used to work
या
for
टेल्को का था ना, जो कैसा पंचगनी की बात कर रहा है ना.
Panchgani,
मैं
Panchgani,
भी रहा हूँ
Panchgani.
वहाँ, मेरे हॉरर स्टोरी वही तो हुई थी.
कौन सी वाली?
Oh,
अरे वो जो अपने आप टेबल टेनिस रूम में टेबल टेनिस की आवाज
oh,
आ
okay,
रही
okay.
है, और वो औरत
I
देखी थी हम
remember.
लोग ने फॉरेस्ट में, मेरे
हाँ,
फैमिली हम लोग बाहर सोए
जो
थे.
नहीं हुआ, हाँ. So
जो
that
हुआ है.
Tata Guest House. So I used to stay there often, and I used to love that place. I used to love the place because the food was great, and I used to love the place because, like, and there was a lot of like happy memories. And so, much later, I went back to school or whatever as you do. But I want to say like in the last 10 years, I tried this.
What, to complete your
Um,
education?
and so
मैं हूं
when
ना.
I went back, and there are a lot of new places that have opened up, right? Like, and a lot of like hotels and stuff like that that have opened up there. But I was like, no, nostalgia sake or whatever. So we tried, got the thing from like mom's contact or whatever. Went there to stay. Dude, just so disappointed. I was like, how did I ever live here?
Yeah, never
Like,
go back.
like could not, like, I was just so disappointed in every aspect and every way because they haven't changed it or updated the property, at least not when I went, which is in the early
बाबा
half
तू भी बड़ा हो गया ना
of the
अभी. तू
decade.
25 मेडिसन एवेन्यू में खाना खाता है, उसके बाद तेरे को कहाँ
Yeah.
पंचगनी पसंद आएगा.
No,
No, no, no.
Bawa, it's a coming together of two things. The hotel never changed and you changed.
या
And both
Yeah,
of them
yeah,
coming
yeah,
together is just,
इस पे पिक्चर बननी चाहिए.
yeah,
yeah.
coming of age story.
कमिंग ऑफ एज,
Yeah.
जिसमें होटल डजंट कम ऑफ एज बट यू डू.
और फिर मैं
होटल इज
होटल
एज
को
ओल्ड.
चाटा मारता है.
बट ये मेरे साथ सेम था. हम लोग माथेरान बहुत जाते थे, और उधर भी एक गेस्ट हाउस था. ये टाटा का ही गेस्ट हाउस था, बिकॉज माय नाना यूज्ड टू वर्क फॉर टाटा टेल्को वाला सीन. सो फॉर मी माय फॉन्डेस्ट मेमोरीज ऑफ चाइल्डहुड हैव बीन इन दैट प्लेस. नो होटल, नो मैटर हाउ फैंसी, गोवा बोल, कश्मीर बोल, इंडिया के बाहर बोल, इट नथिंग कंपेयर्स टू दैट. बिकॉज एंड लिटरली उधर रूम सर्विस है, सब कुछ नहीं है.
करेक्ट,
Yeah.
उधर
करेक्ट, करेक्ट. आई नो
बिस्तरे
एग्जैक्टली.
ठीक है, और ओपन ग्राउंड है, और कुछ नहीं है. खाना तो खुद बना. हम लोग फैमिली बैठ के खुद, हम लोग 30 लोग होते थे, सो वी यूज्ड टू मेक आवर ओन फूड एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट the joy of being in such places, right, is incomparable, because
That's true.
the nostalgia, the emotion, just that vibe takes
No,
you
that
through. तभी भी वो
familial
कुछ,
vibe where everybody in the family
it's
is
like
also
home.
in a good,
It's like home. It's
No,
that's
and it's the best version of home because everyone's come with a single intent
Yeah.
to enjoy. Like,
enjoy. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it just surpasses anything you would ever feel in a five star anywhere.
Like-
But Kautuk, to Himachal की बात कर रहा था ना, I want to tell you this one thing. Like, so obviously now when you know the kind of place you're going to, you kind of expect the hotel you'll get there, right? So हम लोग हिमाचल में एक Alpine करके resort है. It's
I know.
by the river. Fucking love it. जब भी ऊपर गए उधर ही जाके रहे. By default, because that Kasol would be our base camp, और हम लोग को जाना ऊपर रशोल. Rashol also, you're not going to get any fucking hotels. No 1 star, 2 star, nothing. It's the villagers who built like a 1+1 type thing. और उसमें तुम लोग रह रहे
A1
Bro,
lodge. हाँ.
हाँ, तो उसमें हम लोग का एक आदमी था मूली करके. मूली के गेस्ट हाउस में हम लोग रहते थे. लिटरली ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे वो रहता है. एक तंदूर रूम है और ऊपर 2 रूम है. उसमें भी वो मैट्रेस, वो चादर, वो पिल्लो, वो कर्टन, जब से शायद खोला है तब से उसने बदला नहीं होगा शायद.
Correct.
But एक चू नहीं निकलती है मुंह से when we are there. You're
Yeah, I
sleeping.
think it's that whole, like, I think
The
it's just
vibe
the
is only
vibe that
different, bro.
happens. Yeah.
So
It's-
which is weird, right? Because if you're paying and you go to a 5 star or not even 5 star, regular hotel, और उधर थोड़ा भी कुछ नहीं होगा, you get fried because you're like, fuck bro, I'm fucking paying customer, how can this happen, blah blah blah. But then automatically when you shift it to a place that you're familiar with or you like, none of those things that you would create issues about in a 5 star
correct.
seem
That's
to
true.
matter.
That's true. That's
You know,
true.
the vibe is such, bro, in that place where the kitchen is left open. There's a book and a pen, and he gets supplies and keeps. He's like, आप लोग जो यूज कर रहे हो करो, करने के बाद वहां लिख देना क्या है. ट्रस्ट पे चल रहा है ब्रो पूरा. अबे मेरे को गांड मस्ती करना था, I fucking wouldn't write ना. I wouldn't write one loaf of bread, one.
Yeah.
But it just changes, and you write diligently. They
Yeah.
come, and it's beautiful. Like that sort of a vibe is very hard to find. You know.
I know you're absolutely right. Like there was a place I had stayed at. Where was it? Very similar, like in the sense that like you would forego a lot of, like, you change as a person. Like when you go there, like it just the view, the clean air. Like
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
what it is, dude. It just
Yeah,
fucking
yeah,
changes
for
you.
sure. Like there was also like talking not just about emotional connects to hotels. I want to talk about hotels who are also conscious, right? Because hotel industry obviously keeps booming, and like you were talking about earlier, the lot of things that you do that creates to a whole bunch of waste and a whole lot of
Correct.
problems for the environment. Like Miami beaches have stopped hotels that are sea facing to use straws. Think about the Americans can't live without fucking straws.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you go to a restaurant or a bar in America, glass वाला
They
सीधा
put
straw
water
फेंकते हैं
straw.
पहले.
Yeah, yeah.
और
With the
मैं ऐसे
paper
देख
on top of the straw.
या मेरे को नहीं चाहिए स्ट्रॉ. तुम लोग कंप्लेन कर रहे हो कि उधर मच्छी लोग मर रहे हैं क्योंकि स्ट्रॉ खा रहे हो तुम लोग हर एक चीज में स्ट्रॉ. सो मायमी के वो certain hotels facing the sea have stopped it. I stayed at a hotel in Amsterdam. Okay, it was called the Student Hotel when I went 2 साल पहला. उसका एक सीन था when you're in the shower. Now the place is a good place if you don't want to spend a lot of money. But even in that amount, like you said, Europe or US का hotel scenes are very different from ours. उनका रूम भी छोटा होगा. पैसा will be as much as a 5-star room here, right? And it's not a 5-star. So these guys are so conscious about the environment, and it took me 3 days to realize. I was staying in the place for a week. It's only third day that I realized when I'm showering, right? They have a display in front. और मैं नहा रहा है तो पानी गिर रहा है और उधर ना ऐसे पोलर बेयर का फोटो है जो आइस कैप पे खड़ा है. And essentially what it's trying to monitor is the amount
How
of
much of
water
water
you're using for your shower. अभी तो इंडिया में जब भी नहा रहे तो कितने में you just put the shower on and you're on the phone or you don't need water at that time. लेकिन तो बाकी सब कर रहा है पानी गिरते जा रहा है bro non-stop. Dude, it's only third day. मेरे को पहले लगा था डिजाइन बनाया उन लोग ने, फिर आगे जाके देखा तो वो आइस कैप
मेरे पर कम हो रहा है.
कम होते जा रहा है. Automatically there was something in me that said fuck bro, there's no because they're giving you a count how many liters of water कितने टाइम से क्या हो रहा है. Very small thing. It
Like
took me
eventually-
3 days. Some people might not even notice.
Eventually Varun stopped showering altogether. Then he goes to meetings and people are like, Varun, ये बांस कहाँ से आ रहा है? नहीं, वो polar bear बचा रहा है.
अभी मेरा वो डिजाइन चेंज हो गया लेकिन उधर डिस्प्ले पे अभी पोला बेयर है, उसके फैमिली भी आ गए. सब मजे कर, सबके पास प्लेकार्ड है. थैंक यू वरुण.
Thank you, Varun. Like they are.
On that note, thank you, Varun.
Hilarious.
Okay, so I found a bunch of interesting hotels. Okay, so there's a hotel in Kenya where basically it's also a giraffe sanctuary. तो सुबह को ब्रेकफास्ट पे ना जिराफ आता है तेरे बालकनी में अपना सर डालता है तो उसको खाना खिला सकता है.
Oh,
There's tons of these kind of like safari-based hotels and stuff also, which are very interesting.
A lot of them have it now. You go to
Masai Mara,
Masai Mara
man.
and all, so it's
Masai Mara.
full of these.
Yeah.
That's ideal, bro. I fucking would love that. That and hotel in the mountains. Are you guys a beach hotel
person.
people or a mountain hotel person?
Mountains. Or
Mountains, no?
actually, no. I'm happy with urban hotel because I think this happened to me recently. For honeymoon we had gone to Machan and it was like they true to their promise. They say that there's going to be no network and there is no network.
Yeah.
Like, to buy a data pack and then they use a satellite to send you a fucking signal. Like meaning like they have a personal link up like that. So anyway, so I was there and it frustrated me. Like I think I'm a full urban dweller. I
can't function without internet.
I can't function, dude. Like I was like by the third day, I was like, I wish these fucking trees stopped oxygen and gave Wi-Fi. Like fuck this. So yeah, no. So
3 दिन के बाद and Siddhi, what else? Nothing. Yeah, you tell me what else. Not much. And you? No, that's not much. Same. Great. What's happening? All good. All great. Fab, good.
That's thandi,
so, you know, so there's a hotel in Chicago called the Virgin Hotel. ठीक है, इधर हम लोग सर्विस की बात करें, इन लोग तो no fucks given है because they don't have a check-in desk. They use a smartphone system in which you scan a QR code, you retrieve your room key from a vending machine. There's a personal comfort assistant app named Lucy that can order more pillows, control room temperature, and coordinate messages with hotel staff.
wow. Near future, dude.
How does the pillow reach your room?
No, it doesn't. You just get a pillow on the app. दिखता है wow.
फिर तू फोन पे
फिर
ऐसे
तू
सर
सोता
रख के सो जा।
है फोन पे. फिर देखो लू जाना है तुम्हें एक फोटो आता है फिर तू
फोन पे
फोन
मूतता
पे।
है.
फोन पे डट.
Okay, so Baba, this is something you'll enjoy. This is the world's most expensive omelette. Okay.
In this hotel.
No. So the New York City La Parker Meridian Hotels restaurant,
Is
Noma.
this the one with actual truffles and stuff?
Noma serves the most expensive omelette in the world called the $1 zillion lobster frittata. Priced at $1,000. This omelette includes a full pound of lobster and more than half a pound of caviar.
Oh.
And Bawa is
No
going
shit.
there this year.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? हाँ बाबा.
No. Can't
जा रहा है
afford. No. Not at all. Are you mad?
$1,000
omelette?
के
No
लिए
chance.
ऑमलेट खा रहा है.
No chance. No
Okay,
chance.
dosto, there is also the world's most remote hotel. Okay, this is the White Desert Hotel. It gets 2 spots on the list of hotel facts, as it also happens to claim the title of most remote hotel in the world. It was there somewhere else also. Oh yeah, it was also the most southerly hotel. So with less than 1,000 people visiting the Antarctic interior, it is quite possibly the most remote hotel of all time.
इसका रिसेप्शनिस्ट क्या करता है?
वो freeze होता है. Just
यार वापस विंटर आ गया है यार. अभी shit अभी कोई नहीं आएगा. I'll
You
go
know-
into hibernation with the polar bears.
Apparently in Asian hotel rooms, the
There are
number
no polar bears
404.
in
yes,
Antarctica.
yeah, I
I'm
knew you
aware
would.
of
I
this.
knew you would say that next.
तू देखा? Sorry, I'm confused. We are talking about two different things.
No,
Oh,
क्या
so-
बोल.
Now, I was reading a fact where it said in Asian hotel rooms, the number 404 is usually missing because the repetition of number 4 is considered bad luck.
There's a number of things that are considered bad luck. It's
तो
just,
कितने होटल में 13 नहीं होता है ना?
yeah.
सीधा 12 फिर उसके बाद 14. Now there's a hotel called the Peabody Hotel that marches their famed group of ducks through the hotel to the lobby fountain. At 5 p.m. these ducks return to their custom penthouse worth $200,000. They also
Wow.
have a personal assistant. मेरे को ये डक बनना है bro.
You know something?
मेरे को ये डक से ये एपिसोड एडिट करवाना है ब्रो.
बाबा
नहीं, उसका
तेरे लिए तू अभी ऐसा अकेला रहेगा तो you should do what a lot of hotels have started doing now. They have a rent a fish program whereby for modest fee guests can borrow a goldfish to keep them as a companion for the night.
how fucking lonely.
और रात को भूख लगा तो दबेश
मस्त तेल में
तेल में
fry
मस्त
करके।
तेल में रवा डाल के goldfish
Okay, so a resort hotel with the most swimming pools. Okay, this is the 5-star Lexus Hibiscus Port Dickinson, located in Port Dickinson, Malaysia, has won the Guinness World Record title for being the resort with the most swimming pools with a whopping. Okay, I just want you guys to take a guess.
Isn't it
Why
like
not?
164 pools or something like that?
164 is an interesting answer. Why would you say 164? Baba?
Because I think I've read something about this where there is a
Okay, 164 from Baba. Varun, how many pools do you think? On average, okay, how many pools are there in a hotel?
in a hotel
Yeah.
कितना होगा 2 होगा 3 होगा
तीन
एक
होगा।
रूफ पे होगा एक नीचे होगा
Chal. Okay, now how many does this motherfucking place have?
ये किधर है मॉलडीव्स में है क्या
नहीं, Malaysia में.
मलेशिया में how many pools
Yeah.
212
Interesting answers. And they're not even close because this has 643.
तो ये पूल में होटल कितने हैं
So Guinness only counted pools that were larger than 1.5 meters into 2 meters, supposedly to differentiate them from large bathtubs or hot tubs. And it has 643 of these, dude. It's fucking crazy.
bro this is a fucking cesspool of germs bacteria and virus
How
staph
much-
infection होने वाले हैं सबको पूरे
For
staff
sure.
पूरे
how
staff को
much
staff होने वाले हैं.
like mosquitoes and all that will be, it must be a nightmare to manage this.
But
hotel.
Baba, tell me the term. What is that little? A lot of hotels have a WC और उसके बाजू में एक छोटा वाला होता है ना.
Bidet.
हाँ,
Bidet.
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 Okay, so get this. True personal story.
तो हगा है बेड़े में.
बे
Oh,
रुक
no.
रुक. अरे
Oh,
मैं
no.
नहीं बेचू कि पागल मैं क्या बीड़े में जाके आ गया. तो हम लोग मेरे दोस्त के बैचलर पार्टी के लिए गए अजरबैजान, ठीक है. एंड ही इज बुक
Boys played well.
fucking massive sweet weed and all of that, and he's out and he said you guys go check in, I've told them you'll be coming. तो हम लोग गए टॉप फ्लोर पे स्वीट है ये वो. तो आदमी हम लोग के साथ आया पूरा टाइम, ठीक है, नीचे से ऊपर तक. सर एंटर, दिस इज दैट, दिस इज ब्लू ब्लू ब्ला ब्ला. फिर सर एक्सक्यूज मी कैन यू प्लीज कम विद मी. तो हम लोग बोले क्या चुदे पहले बार थोड़ी आए होटल में, प्लीज कम हियर. फिर वो दिखा रहा है दिस इज बेसिन, दिस इज WC, दिस इज बिडे. और मैं थोड़ा ऑफेंड हो गया. हमने एक मिनट क्या है कि हम लोग तो अजरबैजान है, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है तो कुछ और अलग है. बोला ठीक है whatever, but I didn't want to create anything. I said fuck it. This guy went. फिर जब आया कुशल वापस, मैं बोला चूतिया ये मेरे को क्या आके बता रहा है कि ये बेसिन है, ये पॉट है, ये हम है, ये हमारी पावरी हो रही है. हाँ, ये क्या, why does he have to tell me what a bidet is? He's like because there was a group, okay, from India that had just been to that hotel 2 days before we had come, and they got a frantic call. Not a frantic, actually, a frantic and an angry call from that room with a certain gentleman complaining about the flush. Saying, what is this? Flush not working, this, that, come up right now, I want money back. So ये staff ऊपर गए कि क्या हो गया? What the fuck happened? So they go in and it's complaining, flush not flushing, it's not flushing. And they've opened their door, and to their horror, said person has taken a massive dump in the fucking bidet and is complaining that it's not flushing.
Shit.
Okay. भाई तू देख ना डायनामिक्स देख क्या है, तू देख होल जहां से पानी जाना है तेरे को लगता है. And it's not like that was the only thing in the loo that you decided to go shit in the fucking bidet. There was a WC, but you voluntarily chose to step 2 feet away from it and shit in a place that is clearly not meant to shit in.
Okay, for those of you who don't know what a bidet is, just Google it. Okay?
अरे बिडे कुछ
must you realize the mistake that has been.
Yeah, sorry, please read up what a bidet is or see a picture and then you will know why you're not supposed to take a dump in a bidet. Okay.
Okay, on that note.
On that note, that's it. On this episode of the Internet Said So, we were
I
discussing
also
some
want to know
hotel
the
facts.
position he was sitting in while he was taking. Was he
अबे
near
मैं
the
नहीं था
hole?
उधर, लेकिन
Was he near the hole or was he
No,
on the
you know,
other side?
but Baba, you know something? It's always when you're shitting in the wrong place that you have to take the biggest dumps of your life.
yeah.
Like in the bidet, on the ceiling.
No, but the thing is, I want to get into the head of this guy कि उसको क्या लग रहा था कि इधर क्या ये वेपराइज हो जाएगा कि लेजर बीम आएगी. उसको कुछ अलग ही लग रहा है ब्रो अपने दिमाग में.
Bro,
इतना खासा पॉट
अजरबैजान
छोड़
में
के
था
वो.
bro.
हाँ?
वो अजरबैजान में था, उसको लगा कि मैं डर्टी करे उसके बाद बॉयज प्लेड वेल हो जाएगा.
Boys played well, नहीं, boys played very badly. But Baba, I have to remind you, you had said at the top of the podcast कि तू कुछ बोलने वाले end of the
अरे
podcast
यार.
में.
Oh,
So
well
no,
done,
I
I
tell you,
forgot.
So
one of the
don't disappoint the people watching.
So, guys, I'm going on tour.
Wow.
That is my best bed. No, so one of the best beds I've stayed in is in the ITC in Shonar in Calcutta. Dude, what a bed! I mean, you guys know that I'm extremely particular about like being on time and stuff like that, especially
You
when it
guys
comes to
know.
flights. No. You.
हाँ
So,
ठीक है.
dude, I have almost missed my flight from Shonar. Like I have overslept by an hour and a half. If my flight had not gotten delayed, I would have missed my flight. That's how good that bed is.
Wow.
It's not like I was tired
But
or anything.
Tell us
just
what
slept.
about that bed?
So there's an
And
entire.
who was in the
I mean,
bed with you? I think
Nobody.
that's what delayed you by an hour.
No.
No,
ठीक है,
no.
क्या क्या?
If that was the case, Baba would look forward to the flight because we all know that Baba only has
Flights.
company on flights.
So the thing is, the thing is, there's an entire experience with the Shonar that
Yeah,
they
exactly.
sort of
Who was in the
do.
bed with you?
No.
What
So
is
they
this?
like their turn down service, like it includes like they
Full
send
body
you an
massage.
array of like sleeping products, like including like like a oil that you can put.
वो
That,
पिल्लो पे डालना है तो पास आउट हो जाएगा.
yeah, you can
क्लोरोफॉर्म
put
बोलते हैं
oil.
उसको, क्लोरोफॉर्म.
So there's like a
Baba just
range of
drugging
that.
himself.
अरे क्या मस्त सोया सर. आप लॉबी में स्टेयर्स पे सो रहे थे. क्या बेड है आपका. मजा आएगा आपके बेड पे.
आपके बेड़े में मैं
आपके बेड में. सारे हगना बंद करो सब. क्या कर रहा हूँ. सॉरी बाबा. आईटीसी सोनार में क्या हुआ फिर.
So
This place should be called Sonar, no just Sona.
It should be called Sona. ITC Sona.
like they just sort of like, it's genuinely like one of the best like sleeps I've had in a hotel bed. And it wasn't because I was tired and all. Like normally
Normally
I
I'm
mean,
tired.
I'm just dead, right? Like tonight when I sleep and I wake up in less than fucking 4 hours after editing, I'll be tired. But I remember in that day I ate dinner at about 8:30. I lay in bed at 9. I've woken up 12 hours later, dude.
Oh, refreshed.
That's the only
Great.
time Baba slept for 12 hours in his
Yeah,
life.
that's true.
अभी
Baba's
तो ये
a
सब
fucking
प्रॉमिस किया है.
cyborg.
हाँ अभी सब
No, I have.
आईटीसी सोनार बुकिंग कर रहे हैं. अरे भाई देखो तो सही क्या है. हाँ पर क्या यहाँ से व्यू क्या है. ममता दीदी की का.
So no, that was really good. Okay, but no. On that note and all
This
that,
is not a paid endorsement.
not at all. Not at
Baba
all.
really slept nicely on
Yeah,
that
I
bed.
didn't. But there are a few other places also which have nice beds, but this one was pitch.
Okay,
Sorry.
Baba, you want to plug your tour or
Yeah.
what?
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys,
Do you want to plug? क्या बेड था. मजा आ
on
गया.
that
सर
note,
आपको बोल बोल के थक गया. आप सीढ़ियों पे सो रहे थे. हाँ.
on that note, guys, I'm touring with my new show, most of which I will find on the road. But I'm doing on the 5th of March, I'm doing Pune at Spade Comedy Club, 6 p.m. show. On the 6th, I'm doing Delhi. Two shows. I'm doing two shows in Delhi on the 6th. On the 7th, I'm in Gurgaon. 13th, I'm in Bangalore, and 19th, I'm in Bombay. The tickets we will put in the description.
Yeah.
And please buy. There are very few seats per venue, except the Pune venue where I have about 60 seats. And yeah, that's it. Apart from the Pune venue, everything is under 35, 40, not more than that. So please get your tickets really quickly. And the quicker you get them, if it does sell out, I can afford to put another show. Otherwise, I can't and I won't. So please, thank you.
And just to give you some context, his special is called Excel, but the real name is My Brain is a Gutter. Okay, so please go
It's
book
true.
tickets. And Baba and I will be doing shows of Working on the Vaccine on 20th of Feb and 28th of Feb on Zoom. So you
28th पे मैं नहीं है.
हाँ 20th पे बाबा नहीं है पर Working on the Vaccine हो रहा है तो book tickets soon. And Varun, you want to
Guys, I am not doing any shows. So chill out. You do whatever you want to do.
What?
Yeah. Do
Whatever
whatever
you
you
want to
do. Do whatever
last
you
guys.
ball
want.
पे 6. Yeah,
To come watch me not perform book Adar and Neville shows. Yeah, but that's it from this episode of the Internet.
Oh
Setsu,
fuck!
discussing
Sorry, wait
hotels.
1 minute.
अबे
One
मैं
very big
तीसरे
plug.
बार closing नहीं कर रहा.
Sorry, last. One very big plug. On the 21st of February in Bombay, Adar and I are doing Why Are We Fighting? So all of those people who keep thinking that Adar and I are actually fighting, come and actually see us fight on, we're not physically fighting, but we're doing Why Are We Fighting? So 21st of Feb at Habitat, book your tickets. That's also up and book my show. But please book tickets for my tour. Please. Jaldi
Yeah.
karo. Thank you.
Book tickets
Call
fast.
Varun.
Yeah,
Book for
guys, I'm still not doing any shows. So in case you all want to do any shows and want to hire me, let me know. Thanks.
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 Regards.
it.
And that's it from this episode. I am not going to do the ending once again. We'll do a part 2 according to Bava, where we'll do the podcast from the bed at ITC Sonar.
Oh, dude, we should definitely do
But
that.
we won't be able to do the podcast because we'll sleep.
We'll be
It's
asleep.
that fucking
Yeah.
comfortable.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold up.
Please don't shit on the ceiling.
Or in a bidet.
Yeah.
Just shit in a pot. Don't
Yeah.
shit anywhere.
Or don't shit. Don't shit. Control it.
Okay. Bye,
Just
guys.
be fucking constipated like this. Hello, welcome to our hotel. जल्दी रूम देना तो हक दूंगा इधर में.
Wow, this is
This joke is not for people on Spotify.
yeah.
Okay, bye.